Creating and managing SharePoint lists. Introduction. SharePoint lists are a powerful feature within Microsoft SharePoint that allow users to store, manage, and share structured data in a customizable and organized manner. Whether you need to track tasks, maintain customer data, or manage business workflows, SharePoint lists offer a flexible solution for handling information efficiently. What is a SharePoint list? A SharePoint list is a collection of data that is structured similarly to a table in a database. Lists can contain various types of information, including text, numbers, dates, links, and attachments. They support collaboration, versioning, and automation through Microsoft Power Automate and Power Apps. Benefits of SharePoint lists: centralized data storage. Store and organize data in one location, accessible to multiple users. Customizable fields. Define columns with different data types to match business requirements. Integration with Microsoft 365. Connect with Teams, Outlook, and other Microsoft apps for enhanced collaboration. Version control. Track changes and restore previous versions if necessary. Automation. Use Power Automate to create workflows that automate repetitive tasks. Creating a SharePoint list. Creating a list in SharePoint is a straightforward process. Follow these steps. Navigate to SharePoint site, open SharePoint, and go to the site where you want to create the list. Access the lists feature. Click on the settings gear icon and select Site Contents. Click on New and select List. Choose a template or create a custom list. SharePoint provides templates such as Issue Tracker, Task List, and Contacts. To create a custom list, select Blank List. Name and configure the list. Provide a name and description for your list. Choose whether to display it in site navigation. Add columns to define data structure. Click on +Add column to create fields like text, number, date and time, choice, lookup, and more. Save and start using the list once columns are added. Save the list and start entering data. Managing SharePoint lists. After creating a SharePoint list, you can manage it by configuring settings, permissions, and automating workflows. 1. Editing and customizing columns. Click on List Settings to modify existing columns or add new ones. Set default values, enforce unique values, or define column formatting. 2. Sorting and filtering data. Use column headers to sort and filter data based on specific criteria. Apply views to display customized list formats, e.g., grouped, sorted, or filter views. 3. Creating views. Navigate to List Settings greater than Create View. Choose between different view types like Standard, Calendar, or Datasheet. Define sorting, grouping, and filtering rules for better data visualization. 4. Setting permissions. Click on List Settings greater than permissions for this list. Assign specific access levels like read, edit, or full control. Restrict access for sensitive data by setting unique permissions. 5. Using version control. Enable version history in list settings, track changes, review modifications, and restore previous versions when needed. 6. Integrating with Power Automate. Automate workflows such as sending notifications, approvals, and data synchronization. Example: set up an automated email alert whenever a new item is added. 7. Exporting and importing data. Export lists to Excel for further analysis. Import data from Excel or other sources to populate the list. 8. Connecting with Power Apps. Use Power Apps to build custom forms and applications based on the SharePoint list data. Best practices for managing SharePoint lists. Plan your list structure. Define columns and data types before creating the list. Use choice fields wisely. Limit options to prevent inconsistent data entry. Regularly review and update permissions. Ensure the right people have access to the data. Keep lists organized. Use folders, views, and metadata to structure information effectively. Leverage automation. Reduce manual efforts with workflows and triggers. Conclusion: SharePoint lists are an essential tool for businesses looking to manage and collaborate on data effectively. With the ability to customize, automate, and integrate with other Microsoft 365 applications, SharePoint lists can enhance productivity and streamline operations. by following best practices and leveraging its powerful features. Organizations can ensure efficient data management and collaboration.